If I was a newbie and I want to get my dream job in the first 6 months, here is what I'm going to do, and I will list them according to how I'm going to do it. The first month, I'm going to learn about blockchain. I'm going to understand how cryptocurrency works. I'm going to learn about DeFi. I'm going to learn about NFTs and get deep knowledge about the blockchain and cryptocurrency in general. The second month, I'm going to learn a skill. I can learn about development, graphic design, content creation, content writing, and so on. So the second month, I'm going to use it to develop my skills. So and there are different places I can use to develop my skills using YouTube, using Udemy if I have money to pay, and or learning from people or friends. So that's how my second month is going to be. So when I've developed my skills, third month, after exploring different skills, I'm going to choose a particular niche. Maybe I want to go into graphic design, or I want to go into content creation, or I want to become a community moderator or project manager. I'm going to develop a niche towards that, and I'm going to learn more about it every day. I'm going to use my Google to learn how all this stuff works. So in my fourth month, I'm going to gain experience. I'll reach out to projects and tell them that I want to be intern in their project. They don't need to pay me. All I need to do is to work for the project for free to gain working experience. Because sometimes applying for projects, they will ask you for working experience, and you need it for you to get full-time jobs. So I'm going to reach out to projects, ask them for jobs. If they agree for me to work for them, I'm going to take it up and put in my best. I'll not do it as if they are not paying me. I'll do it as if I'm getting paid for the job. In my fifth month, I'm going to build a solid brand by creating awareness on Twitter, creating awareness on YouTube, creating awareness on TikTok, creating awareness on different platforms that I want to use for connecting with people. And I'm going to join community. I'm going to join a community and stay active there in my fifth month. So that's how my fifth month is going to be. I will also be attending real life events, connect with people, connect with as much Web3 folks as possible. That's what I'm going to do with my fifth month. In my 6 months, finally, I'm ready to work for projects and get my dream job. I am going to get a cover letter, I'm going to get a resume, or I'm going to get a CV, and then start applying for projects, showing them proof of work of what I've done in the past and what I will do for them. So in my 6 months, I'm going to do this, and I'm hoping to get my dream job in 6 months. So if you want to get your dream job in 6 months, you can do this. And another tip is that after you've learned about blockchain, you've understood the nitty-gritty of cryptocurrency, you can get a team of developer, designer, UI UX designer, content writer, technical writer. You can get them and start applying for hackathons. There are a lot of hackathons out there that you can team up, apply for, and when you win the hackathon, you are going to share the money together. Another thing that I'm going to do while waiting to get my dream job is start applying for ambassadorship programs. There are a lot of ambassadorship programs that are out there. Projects are ready to employ you to promote their projects on your social media page. You can just go to your Twitter or Medium or any platform you use like LinkedIn. You can for ambassadorship program, and you will see them. Apply for them with the proof of work I've gotten in the past, and I am going to start working for projects as an ambassador. So if you want to land your dream job in 6 months, follow this pattern that I've talked about. And if you don't get a job in 6 months, maybe you might be doing something wrong. Do it to follow me, like this video, and share it with somebody that is looking to land his dream job in Web3.